Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight Audi A3 2011 full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and opening the hood to access the headlight. Wear gloves to protect the bulb from oils and prepare a clean workspace with your tools ready. Keep the battery disconnected until the job is complete to avoid electrical issues and ensure you have the correct replacement bulb for your model. Locate the trim screws and clips around the headlight bezel and remove them carefully to avoid scratches. Use the proper socket sizes to unbolt the headlight assembly and remember to keep all fasteners in a small container. Slowly pull the assembly forward so you can reach the bulb socket and wiring harness, then inspect the area for corrosion or broken clips before proceeding to the bulb replacement step. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video for more practical car tips and future tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, lasting scent that hides garage odors and sweaty gloves after wrenching on headlights. It's an easy, inexpensive way to make your ride feel nicer while you work. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Unplug the wiring connector from the bulb and twist the socket counterclockwise to release the old bulb. Always handle the new bulb by the base and avoid touching the glass to prevent premature failure. Then insert it securely and twist the socket back into place. Reconnect the wiring, briefly reconnect the battery to test the headlight alignment and function, and once confirmed, reseat the assembly and tighten all bolts and trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.